I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I too good, sir. So, guys, without wasting any time, I'll start with my questions. Okay, sir. My first question over here: what type of jobs does your consultancy provide?
So we are basically Job Bucket Consultancy is all about providing jobs from very little level or a small level of telecalling to into IT industries. So we provide telecalling jobs, accountancy jobs, field executive jobs, marketing jobs, sales jobs. We are into IT. When it comes to IT, we are PHP. We provide jobs to PHP developers, .NET developers, Java developers, and also we provide jobs to React Native developers, Android developers, and also iOS developers.
That's fantastic, sir. And so here my question is, do you deal with freshers as well as for experience? No.
Yes, correct. We deal with both freshers as well as experience. So in Hyderabad, when it comes to Hyderabad, just Hyderabad, there are many other institutes. So what happens is once a fresher gets out of college, he can pursue a few courses in other institutes. Like since I am let's consider a fresher who graduated in engineering. Okay, why? Because there are many engineering graduates. So what they need to do is they pursue a course in Java or PHP developing or .NET training or anything. So these particular courses are provided by many institutes in Amirpet. There are many other areas. So Amirpet is the hub, which is famous in complete India right now.
Okay.
Right, yeah. So there are many institutes, and from that those candidates can go for jobs or can apply for different jobs, even though they are freshers. Training, so probably trained candidates. That's the basic thing which we can say.
That's great. So I'll move on to my next question, sir. What degree holders or which graduates can apply through your job consultancy?
So any graduate who just completed, let it be BSc graduate or BCom graduate. So BCom graduates get a job into financial section of the job, something like an accountants or we can say even financial managers and associates and executives, the one who can work on tally. Even GST filing is something which is coming up, which is now already in the market, but there are very less number of candidates who can do it. So we do provide a particular type of jobs to them that they need to work under a CA or costing or accounting or something like that.
Okay. How about you guys can hire all stream B guys, no sir?
Yes, we do hire all stream B guys, but they need to be ready to work in IT industry. So we don't deal in mechanical or civil engineering jobs directly. We get maybe one requirement in a year or two requirements in a year, but not more. So only into IT is what we are in.
Okay, that's fantastic. So guys, actually this consultancy is mainly dedicated to IT. If you have done with BE or some other relevant graduation, you can contact to this consultancy, and the address will be provided in the description. Okay, so I'll move on to next question, sir. It's one of the important question for me.
Sure.
And even for my viewers as well.
Perfect. Yeah.
That is, are there any fees before or after getting job?
So, actually, in my business, there are many other consultancy who do charge fees before providing the job, like a registration fees of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or something. But my consultancy doesn't ask for any fees. There is no fees before job or after job. Even if you get the job, you don't have to pay us anything. Even before getting the job, no one has to pay any fees to us. It's directly with the company. We will check and we will do all the clearings and all. Nothing from candidates, job seekers.
That's really fantastic, guys. My next question to sir: what kind of job do you have for poor communication skill candidates?
So when it comes to poor communication skills candidate, we do provide them jobs in the IT industry. Communication is though important, so I would suggest to try and talk to people as much as in English if that is possible for you guys. Why? Because it makes you look better in front of other people, and so that whatever the work you are doing or you are working in a team, you can let your work given to the other team members that no, I did this particular work. If you are poor in communication or lack in communication, what you can do, you won't be able to communicate with them, and you won't be able to say this particular is done by me. So someone else might take your credit of whatever work you have done. But we do provide jobs to poor communication skills candidate as well.
That's nice. That's wonderful, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
So I'll move to my next question. Till now, how many candidates are being placed through your consultancy in a approximate number?
So we have placed already around 100 candidates in different companies, including all the jobs which I told you earlier about, telecalling, accountancy, or any job you pick. We have placed around 10 candidates each. We can say 10 candidates each. So I've placed around 100, we can say, right? Because we have started this consultancy since last 6 months, and in 6 months we have placed already 100. We are in touch with around 20 companies, and we have MOUs with 25 different companies. So whenever there is a requirement, we do provide them a job. Graphic designing is one thing which is coming up, and we do have openings for that right now as well.
That's very nice, sir, because it's been 6 months your consultancy started and you guys placed more than 100 candidates. That's a really good number.
Thank you.
So I'll move on my last question. Do you want to share anything else about your consultancy?
Yes, so we are basically, the name of my consultancy is Bucket Consultancy, and we are located at Abbots, Hyderabad. We do have a website with the name www.jobbucket.net. You can search on it. It is like a job portal, just like Naukri or Indeed, and anyone can post free jobs on it. Anyone can apply for free jobs on it. You don't have to pay any charges. Your job or your application will be viewed by the HR or the one who posted the job. That's about my consultancy. Thank you very much.
And anyhow, guys, I will be mentioning the website name in the description. Please explore, and if you have any query, please call them. Between what time to what time, sir?
Yeah, you can. You guys. So since this is a startup, we work from morning 9 to evening 9, we can say. But you can call me between 10 and 6. That is a good number. Whenever you guys are free, or you can give us a call anytime you want.
Okay. Is it Monday to Friday or is it Monday to Saturday?
It is Monday to Sunday. So we work 24/7.
Okay.
It's not Monday to Saturday. It's not Monday to Friday. It's Monday to Sunday. We work 24/7.
That's really awesome, guys. If you are free on Saturday, Sunday, you can give a call to this consultancy. This is one of the advantage with this consultancy, guys. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Nice talking to you again.
Yes, thank you.